Hey y'all, welcome back. It's grocery day. Okay, couple things we got going on in the kitchen today. First of all, we're gonna go through the grocery haul. Then we're gonna clean out the fridge, do a little bit of meal prep, and then that's gonna be it because we are having a full day at Farmstead today. We're working in our greenhouse, trying to get some stuff done so that we are becoming just very good stewards over the things that God has given us. I know some people were really concerned with us leaving our tools outside, exposed to the elements, and it just hit me yesterday. Hey, we've got a greenhouse. We can put the tools in the greenhouse. They don't have to come inside the garage where I have to come all the way in the house just to get the tools to go all the way back outside to work with the tools. But we have a greenhouse as a very nice, good, thick outer cover. And so we are working in there to make sure that we can put everything in there. So we are working in the farmstead today, and I have some preservation to do, right? Every Bit Counts challenge is going on over at Three Rivers Homestead. And so I am making every bit count over here. So let me turn my camera around, show you what I got. My budget was $100 this week. I was very, very surprised at the outcome, and I think you will be as well. Alrighty, y'all. So here is my grocery haul. Now I'm going to tell you where I shopped. Food Lion was it for me today because of their buy one, get ones. So anytime you're trying to stock your pantry or you're trying to make your bucks stretch, try to look for places that are having the best sales. I shop at three primary places: Food Lion, Walmart, Harris Teeter, and this week it was Food Lion for me. Now, I did get this from Dollar General, but that's only because I needed that in a pinch. Okay, so I had a $100 budget, and this is what I was able to get from Food Lion. 2 cases of water as well, and that cost me $90 exactly. Well, no, it was $90.54. So I have $9.46 left. I went over to Harris Teeter to get some peanut butter that they had on sale, but they were out, and so I did get a rain check. So let me tell you what I did pick up, and as I'm trying to restock my pantry. Toilet paper was $5.49. So I picked up 2 of these. It's the Angel Soft 8 mega rolls, which is about the equivalent of 32 rolls. Now, I like getting these, but the only problem is when you get this roll, some people don't understand that this is like 4 times the rolls, if that makes any sense, right? So sometimes I prefer to get the smaller rolls because, you know, 32 just seems like a lot versus 1, because people be using toilet paper around here like they bad or something. Anyway, I hope y'all know what I'm saying. I would prefer sometimes to have the 32 regular rolls than the 8 mega rolls, because 1 roll is like 4, but whatever. Okay, got 2 of those. We have toilet paper, but I'm trying to restock my pantry because I have not been stocking as much, and so I just went ahead and bought 2 because I can have one when the one I have runs out, and then I have another one. So what I need to do in order to keep restocking the pantry is I need to buy an extra one every time I go to buy one, right? If I can afford it, I'll get the extra. Same thing with paper towels. These were $5.49 as well. And I went ahead and picked up, these is 6 rolls, which is like 12 regular rolls. And these are the selector size. I have paper towels, but I wanted to make sure that I bought one. So when the paper towels I have now run out, and then I have an extra one to stock the pantry. This was a good deal because we're trying to stock back up. Jackson eats pasta. We eat pasta. I eat pasta as well. I have not eaten pasta for a long time, being a keto person. However, because I'm doing workouts in the gym, I will allow myself some carbs. I just have carbs. I usually have fruit, but I will have some pasta. I don't eat a lot of anything just because my stomach can't hold it. But this pasta was on sale for 88 cents. Because it was on sale for 88 cents, I picked up 3 boxes. It's all I saw of this particular kind. There were some other ones that were a little more expensive, but it was less than $1 a box. So I picked up 3. I would have probably liked to pick up 5. That still would have cost me less than $5. And it's a way to fill the pantry. I have pasta, but I'm still trying to make sure that I'm extending out my pantry. So I always try to pick up something. Normally I pick up the whole wheat pasta, but they didn't have this brand for that price. So I picked up this, and now I have 3 more boxes of pasta to add to my pantry. So these are for the pantry, the pantry, the pantry. Okay. Picked up bananas. We got the 2 ma'ams. We got ma'am and little ma'am, a lick mat. And so bananas is one of the things that dogs can have. And so I'm going to take a little bit of banana and I'm going to smash it on their lick mat and put it down there so that she can get a taste of other things. And the lick mat keeps her busy because she is a busy little bumblebee. And so I picked up bananas also for Jackson as well. Picked up a huge cantaloupe. This was $2.99. This was 45 cents per pound. They had 5 pounds of russet potatoes, $2.99 a bag or $2.49 a bag. Can't remember. Cabbage was 69 cents a pound, so I picked up a cabbage. Now, we're pretty much right around the Whole Foods journey, although I did pick up pasta for the pantry. Dried cranberries, I eat those on salads. Sweet potatoes. Now, the dogs get this on their lick mat as well, and peanut butter. So, bananas will be new. Picked up sweet relish because we do have chicken. We're going to do some chicken salad. I needed coffee creamer. Picked up some ovens ready. Almond milk. 2 things of shrimp. This was a buy one, get one free, and they were like $9.99, so $5 each. Very good price on medium shrimp. That can be 2 meals depending on how we cook them. And then the Philly steak, which we like to have just as cook-aheads, were $7.99, buy one, get one free. So I bought one and got one free. And then the 100-calorie English muffins, which I like to have this with peanut butter and jam. Jackson likes to have it. Sister likes to have it. I'll eat one every now and then. I normally buy it for the kids. Was $5.99, but it was buy one, get one free. So I bought one and got one free. I bought one and got one free. I bought one and got one free. Very good deal. Very good deal. And then I just needed some bags. So I picked up 2 quart bags. They were $1 a piece. And then 2 gallon. And these are just storage bags, not freezer bags. I didn't need freezer bags, just storage bags. I got that from Walmart. That was not in this grocery haul. So everything you see there rounded up to $90.54. 2 32 bottles of water. And then I have $10 left for my peanut butter, which I will go back and get. Hopefully they'll have it restocked sometime this week. Alrighty, we're going to clean out the fridge now and try to get all of this food put away. Alright, y'all. We're going to clean out everything on the top shelf. We're going to clean out everything down here. And everything that can be pulled out, we're pulling out. We're going to go through what we can keep. And we're going to toss what we need to toss. I don't think there's anything in here we have to toss. We are going to roast this broccoli. So let's prepare the broccoli. That's for Jackson since he's already doing something in the oven. And then we're going to combine, I think we got a couple things of grapes. We're going to combine all of those together. But we're going to pull everything out that we can and get this fridge situated.
We need to just pick them cherries out of there because I was hoping she was going to eat that. These are potatoes that I made, what was it, Sunday night? It wasn't Sunday night. It was Monday night. I made it Monday night for sure. Okay. Oh, these chickens. These chickens are the worst. What Mom got Cool Whip for?
I got Cool Whip.
What'd you get Cool Whip for?
To go on top of my cake.
Ooh. What kind of cake are you making? Can I have some? Ooh, can I have some? I share my food with you. Don't be like that. Well, I share things I find on my food, but you know, because I was already eating it. Jackson, what is this? Oh, that's nice dinner. Why don't y'all eat what y'all made last night?
So when you put the stuff back in, make sure it goes in first.
I'm gonna put it back in. I'm just clearing the shelf. That's Mom's sandwich that she never ate.
I'm just going down this house.
And then huh? Oh yeah. And just, is there anything in that bowl? Oh shoot, can you just put some water in those?
Okay.
I was hoping there was nothing in the white bowl and you could just fill it up with water, but there's stuff in there. bread. We eat bread. So.
No,
She want me to take these pickles out?
Oh.
She want me to take these pickles out?
No.
Okay. I'll just rearrange them. This all the jam we got left?
Probably more.
No, it ain't. I mean, it's in there, but this is the one in the fridge. How dare y'all?
There's literally more in the fridge. You just put it in the fridge, bro.
Yeah, but you be eating it all. I see you.
I don't eat any of it.
What about this? What are you talking about? There was one. There was another one.
On my jam. I mean, I don't.
I'm not the only one who does it.
I
put toast on my jam.
Well, you do be putting toast on your jam. You get so much jam in just one tiny piece of toast, bro.
No, I don't.
Oh, you're
What's wrong
right.
with you?
2 tiny pieces of toast.
No, I don't.
And all that jam.
You don't have 2 tiny pieces of toast. They're the same size. What the heck?
My toast got butter on it.
I don't even like butter on my toast.
Yeah, well, I do, so I get butter.
No. There's something going on with you, okay?
It is.
There's something going on with you.
I'm literally meat.
Huh?
I'm literally meat, kid.
No. Okay? Because there were 2 of these. Because before I left on Friday, there was one. And then when I came to look, I think it was Monday.
No, bro, I'm finna get my food, so you do you.
I am me. What I'm trying to say is, Buster, you doing this broccoli? Here.
Yeah, just toss it over here. Toss it on there.
We got bacon. We just need to keep the bacon just like in view. There. Now you can see it.
Yes.
This need to go in the trash. Let's just trash that. I'm gonna trash this. I did it as best I can, but y'all didn't help me out, so it was what it was.
I think Mom's gone.
What?
I think Mom's gone.
Alrighty, so we got the fridge cleaned out. Of course, we still have to handle those 2 chickens right there. And then that back there is some leftover, is it pasta Alfredo?
Whatever.
From last night, that's what that is, pasta Alfredo. We actually are gonna cook up some bacon. We got some bacon in here. They are all our homemade, home good items, which we actually need to be using that pepper jam and jelly. So I'm probably going to, actually these have been jammed. These are shelf stable. I was trying to gel them up a little more, so these actually can come out of the fridge. This is the last that needs to be used, and the pickles. So we'll use that in some chicken salad. We have one more cabbage to go down there. Jackson made a dessert. I'm not eating any of that. And yeah, so we're gonna, no ma'am, the end, goodbye, Barbara Ann. I'm gonna just grab a quick something because we have to leave the house for an engagement. So a couple of meal ideas. We do have the steak, which we can do steak and potatoes with some gravy. We have the shrimp, so we can do shrimp and spinach, or we can do shrimp and rice because Jackson got some rice. We could also just do shrimp. We have some sweet potatoes. We could make some sweet potato fries. We have sweet potatoes that we could take the shaved steak and put on top with a gravy. What else can we do? We do have pasta. We can make a pasta dish, and we have all types of meat. With the peach strawberry jam, I'm actually going to take some of the, I think I have another roast in there. We like that on a roast, and that again can go with potatoes. We have some canned greens outside because we actually have some pepper vinegar in the bottom that would be good on. And I'm making some pizza sauce. I've got some tomatoes that I'm going to make a couple small things, half pint jars of pizza sauce. But I think that's going to be it for us this week. We have some fruit that we need to use, and we'll use that throughout the week. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by for this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now.